Lalela iBeat on Breakfast Show ku-104.1 The Pumping Beat of Echazile-ke kuthi mangibuya la ngeke ngibuye ngedwana elayinini lami-ke la nabhuti Bongane la umbhalo wemabhuku uyi-coach ku-preach out oqala leli viki lelitawo la ku-Beat on Breakfast utoba joyina leli speaker leli khona-ke ungu-salesman-ke la ngendeka amasixoxa akhuluma naye itsali ukuthi ufunayo ukuthengisela something kumbe utawuthenga something ne-brand lehle lesitayibona nje yala sifunde ezitsala Mpumalanga letawufuna sithi chenye ngayo la itawubuya kuwe mnakethu angikwamukele la emsakatweni kunjani
Prince vele kunjani ngiyabonga bhuti kuba nawe emsakatweni
mina ngasho ukuthi ungu-jack of all trades yonke lento inawe lelelana umsebenzi webantu sivame kuwubona kakhulu la njengoba ngikhulumile ukuthi kune-brand nemisebenzi yakho sitayibona sitawucoca nangayo kancane ngicela ukunika lithuba uthi introduce ukuthi ungubani wakabani uvela
ligama ngibongani Maphosa ekhaya kusembonisweni eBackdoor kaBhokweni mina ngihlala eWhite River ngokuhlala so I am an author, I'm a speaker, I'm a coach and I'm also a salesman so I believe ukuthi wonke umuntu uNkulunkulu umdalelwe ukuthengisa either uyadithengisa wena or uthengisa whatever lo uqashelwe ukuthengisa yona but wonke umuntu essentially uyadithengisa ngithink ukuthi mina nawe size sihlangane namhla munye wethu uthengise kulomunye size sibe la
ngiyakubona author coach preacher ne-salesman lokhu kuhamba alphabetical but ngiyathemba akukacali la singayicala mabomu kule kupreacher before stofika lapho kumbe ngene kuthola usuku wakhoach ibhola usasemncane la asicale kule kupreacher i-background yasekhaya isukaphi mhlambe isuka from church kuze kutholakale ungena so preach
I would say ukuthi mina ngikhule vele ngiyi-Christian but uyabona musu ukuthi uma umntwana utikhetheli khula nje ekhaya ukuthi niyahamba niyesontweni but akusi anything less serious and then about 4 years ago I was 31 I met Christ yes I have been a Christian vele impilo yami yonke because ngathi mina nangifika ka grade 12 uma labanye bangani baphuma bayowena into nje leti mnanzi batijabulisa mina ngaba ne desire yokwati iBhayibheli so nangiphuma ka grade 12 ngathenga iBhayibheli nje kokuqala then I started reading the Bible ngaqala ku Genesis ngayophuma ku Revelation I think I did that in less than 1 year so manje ngize ngifike la ngikhona khona sengifunze iBhayibheli from Genesis to Revelation over 4 times and it's something lengiyenda as a lifestyle so it's the way ngiphila ngayo because mina ngidiscover ukuthi yonke into leyendeka emhlabeni eBhayibhelini ikhona so na unelwadi laseBhayibhelini kude lokusurprise lamhlabeni so mina ngihlale ngisho ngithi empilweni yonke into i-predictable and wonke ma results can be guaranteed empilweni yomuntu ukuthi uyophumelela or uyofeyila empilweni you can predict and guarantee lokho usebenzisa lokubhalwe eBhayibhelini so thina labaningi sifunda iBhayibheli as a religious book mara iBhayibheli is not a religious book it is a book that contains religion but it's not a religious book uma uya ku Joshua 1 verse 8 lithi iBhayibheli this book of the law shall not depart from your mouth meditate therein day and night and be careful to do what it says and you will make your ways prosperous and you will succeed so ngalamanye amagama iBhayibheli lisitshela ukuthi lona lilibhuku lemithetho not a religious book or a book about Christianity but it does contain Christianity so ngabe banale desire I think uNkulunkulu bekafuna ukuthi angiprepare for ijourney yami empilweni mina ngibelieve ukuthi uNkulunkulu ungilethe emhlabeni ukuthi ngitokhulula labantu labakholwa kuNkulunkulu uJehova so ngibakhulula ngelwadi ngoba iHosea 4 verse 6 uthi my people perish because they lack knowledge and because you reject knowledge uNkulunkulu uthi I will reject you as my priest and uthi because you ignore my laws I will also ignore your children so uNkulunkulu unginike a mandate to go and liberate bantu bakhe ngelwadi ngibaliberate kuma relationship that's why ngipublish ibhuku lema relationship lelinceda abantu labanedinkinga kuma relationship but banga understand ukuthi inkinga isuka kuphi because impilo is spiritual than it is literal even the Bible it's the things that are seen were made from the things that are unseen so lokhu thina sikubona la sik-experience it's actually i-effect but the cause of this is a spiritual cause so tonke tinkinga takho ti-spiritual yonke into lek-affectake empilweni i-spiritual Jesu uthi I will give you the keys of the kingdom, you will be able to bind on earth what you want to bind, and heaven will also bind. And he says you'll be able to lose things on earth and heaven would lose them. So that means sinikete ligunya lekuthi ukhone kubopha into longatifuna empilweni yakho, ukhulule naleti lotifunako. So mine uNkulunkulu ungakhele ukuthi ngikhona ukukhulula abantu bakhe ngelwadi ukuthi you can achieve financial freedom, because uma uya deep eBhayibhelini you understand ukuthi uNkulunkulu udale umuntu ngomfanekiso wakhe. And uNkulunkulu bekafuna umuntu lo representa yena la emhlabeni, which is all of us. But sihlupheka so ngoba as understand and asadi ukuthi kahle kahle thina we are made in the image and the likeness of God. Ngalawe magama na ufuna kwathi uNkulunkulu emhlabeni ufuna ubuke mine ngibuke wena. Ngibone uNkulunkulu nangibona wena. And uNkulunkulu akahlupheki akasweli ngalutho. Bathi thina sena njani siyahlupheka siyaswela.
Hayi no uyabona kuvakele ngijabulisa ukuthi le side okupreacha ngesithasho sowubonele umuntu la lengafuna ukuveta since uthashe eBhayibhelini lokuningi akubendeke ezulwini kwendeke la emhlabeni nje lobe kwendeka lapha le tortala abantu ngikozi relate so dila emhlabeni lethi izulu liyasibekisela so ngijabulisile ukuthi uvele lokho iside okupreacha sezilithashile ke la ngicela ukunika lithuba sive la kulo coach because so highlightile nokuthi uyi-author akufike enjani because ufuna ube ne-experience kuqala ngeke umane ucoach ube i-coach ungakaindi lutho naleli bhuku nalo so nalo ngikabukela ke mina uchaza experience yakho relationship then kimi usijoyina ucoacha ngemali la kulehlelo leli so iqale njani journey yakho ukuthi no nyalo nama asengicale sengifundisele abanye because coaching iyafana ne-mentorship iyafana nokuleadela abantu to i-direction le right then ufike njani lapho kule journey ukuthi no asenyalo ngihlale phansi nami ngingasadlala efieldini ngibe ngicoach.
So i-journey yami iqale about 4 years ago njengoba ngisho ngithi 4 years ago bengimuntu lo bengilifunza leBhayibheli but benga-understandi kahle ukuthi empilweni kahle kahle ngiteleni so bengina that thing lengaphakathi kwami ukuthi ngiyeva ukuthi man ngiyaphila but ngathi kuyashoda but ngingasisho ukuthi kushodani kahle kahle ngoba naku ngiyathengisa bengithengisa imoto namanje ngisathengisa imoto so uyabona in sales wena you control isalary yakho ngema-efforts wakho so vele ekuthengiseni ngiphiwe leso siphiwe and ngimuntu othandekako ebantwini ngoba nami ngiyabathanda abantu so bengithengisa imoto imali khona but kunala thing leshodako ngaphakathi enhlitweni and ngicabanga ukuthi abantu abaningi basafarisha from lokho especially madoda sisafarisha kakhulu from lokho ukuthi inayo imali khona imoto tikhona mhlambe nemfatu khona but solo kuyashoda and empilweni wena sowucabanga ukuthi phela ngathola into leti ngi-right so mina uNkulunkulu wabe sowungikhipha emshadweni which is what formed the content ya my first book. My first book is titled 35 and Married 15 Times. Wangikhipha emshadweni ngimthanza ngenhliziyo yami yonke and kungikhipha kwami emshadweni ngaphikisana naye ngoba mina ngithi iBhayibheli ngiyalifunza so ngahlangana naChrist mina ngisiceda kuhlukana nemngami ngahamba ngabhuka into a guest house around White River ngahlala khona ngihleli khona for a whole year ngila ngibhale khona my first book. So uNkulunkulu nakangikhipha lapho siphikisana ukuthi but in the book of Malachi 2 verse 16 uNkulunkulu uyasho ukuthi i-divorce akafani nayo. Sengithi mina but ungihlukanisa kanjani nalomuntu mara uthi wena i-divorce awufani nayo. So ngila uNkulunkulu angithathe khona angibekela ukuthi sometimes emhlabeni kunendlela futhi not sometimes sonke isikhathi kunendlela yawonke umuntu lebhaliwe. But because uNkulunkulu usiphe i-free will emhlabeni siyadikhethela kithi bone lo muntu lo uNkulunkulu umlethe for a specific reason empilweni yakho but wena because si-controlwa inkanuko ubuke lo muntu umthanze uNkulunkulu umlethele ukuthi atokunceda ngasamething ngoba kufundise something wena ucethe ube ne-relationship le-romantic ulale nalo muntu nase ucetha kulala nalo muntu seniyabuya seniyakha seniyathandzana seNkulunkulu ekugcineni uthi but wena mina ngakudiseli lokho and because nyalo sekunalo muntu lo ngitosebenzisa the same person lo sewumthathe wamfaka empilweni yakho ukuthi akhone ukukhipha la uyowenda lokhu lotele khona emhlabeni ngoba iBhayibheli lithi ukuthi sonke emhlabeni side kunesizathu ukuthi wena ube la and na utophila impilo yakho ungasitholi lesizathu impilo yakho itohlangahlangana sonke isikhathi but the day uthola lesizathu ngila uthola khona inkululeko yakho so ngahamba ngabhala ibhuku lami lekucala and lokubhlungu ukuthi kubhala uNkulunkulu wangikhomba e-high school ngikhumbula ka grade 8 ngisafika e-high school ngitobhala an essay and we had to choose topics. I mean, essay was about, I chose a topic, letting my dog. And at the time, I didn't have a dog. And ngenxa experience yenja, but because uNkulunkulu nakane plan for wena uyikhomba usikahle kahle wena empilweni udele lokho. Ngabhala an essay leya impressa principal to a point le wathatha essay yami wangibita ngifunza grade 8 wayongimisa in front of the whole school wafunza the essay to a point la uyicompare essay ukuthi can be compared to someone who grade 12 and ebuka i-background yami mina ngibuye emakhaya. So even English yakhona uyifunza ngeSiswati kanye ne-Afrikaans yakhona uyifunza ngeSiswati, but uNkulunkulu nakane plan for wena. Ngila ngibone khona uNkulunkulu impilo eyakho i-background yakho ikhomba la uyakhona nethi thina sikhona ukubona. So usebenzisa le background yakho noma ngabe ibhlungu kanani i-background yakho idalwe ngeNkulunkulu because ingiyo leto kubeka la uyakhona. So wasebenzisa le background wangikhomba ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukubhala. But nangiqeda lapho ngahlala nalesipho sokubhala ngachubeka nesikolo ngachubeka nempilo ngangena kutotonke izinto ngaphuma egcineni uma sekangihlukanisa nemngamo wathi uNkulunkulu wena ufuna uyohlala lapha ube wedwana ukhona ukufocus kulo hotele khona emhlabeni ngoba wena emhlabeni usithotshintsha impilo tebantu. But nyalo ungene emshadweni uyekele konke lokuthume khona. Wena ufuna kuba i-husband ufuna nje kuhamba uyosebenza ubuye nemali and that's it. Fana kwateli lokho wena. Awateli ukuthi utodla wedwana utele la ukuthi utokhulula abantu abami. So I need you to be alone for a season. Ngihleli alone mina, completely alone, no relationship, akunamacathi for 3 years. uNkulunkulu adila nami and kule 3 years I became an author, ngapublisha 2 mabhuku, ngina 5 other books that have been written but not published. And ngi self-published author mabhuku amathengiswa bo-America, bo-UK, bo-Australia, mara ngila ngikhule ku-background le disadvantage. So it means sonke uNkulunkulu uneplan yethu but ifuna ukuthi u-align naye umekele akusebenzise. Akusilula ubhlungu utokhala ku-lonely futhi kuba umuntu ofana nami because uNkulunkulu ukuflada ngelwadi and lelwadi nasohamba uyobuka impilo yakho sonke sine story lesingasitshela labanye ngetimpilo tethu nethi ngoba thina siyathi discount ngoba soka singakatitholi ukuthi siteleni emhlabeni. So mina fortunately uNkulunkulu wangikhomba ukuthi ngiteleni emhlabeni and kuta kwami emhlabeni kuhambelana nokunceda labanye batithole ukuthi bateni. So the coaching part of the business yami, the business is called the 4 a.m. Prayer and Coaching Institute. So we coach people through discovering their life purposes. Usiba coacha ku creating biblical wealth on earth, meaning wena une seed kuwe leNkulunkulu akuphe yona for lo mhlaba leto kwakhela ingcebo, but because thina sese preconditioned ukuthi kufuna umuntu ahamba yofunza ayosebenzela lomunye, labanye bangena kulokusebenzela lomunye bangasakhona ukuphuma bayocreator ngale seed leNkulunkulu ayifake ngaphakathi kwethu. Sonke sine seed and lesikwatiko ngeseed is that now uyifaka emhlabathini uyinisela ekugcineni kutowenakalani ita-sprout ayivela kithi. Now uchubeka unisela iyakhula nayikhula igcina iba yini iba sihlahla siba nani siba nema-fruit. So the seed will produce fruit according to the kind of seed le uNkulunkulu ayifake ngakuwe. So thina si-disoriented la mhlabeni ngoba wena ufuna kwenda something lento wangibongani but awusabuka ukuthi uNkulunkulu kimi ufake ini. Because now utothola le seed yakho yonke into lo yendako itoba natural. Uyangiva nje noma ngikhuluma ukuthi naturally I'm a speaker. Awubi confused ukuthi okay but no wonder this guy is an author, is a coach, is a speaker, is a salesman. Uyakhuluma natural. Why? Because ngidiscover le uNkulunkulu angilethele khona emhlabeni and isipho sakho sifuna sibe natural. Ungazufostele. So thina sigcina sifostela ufuna kwenda lokhu uzame lokhu ngoba ubone Princeville enda lokhu uthi hayi man ngingihlule ngePrinceville. Wena uyekele ukuthi buka ukuthi mara mine what seed am I carrying. So I've got online courses that are available globally. People can go and sign up bawende lama courses. Lama course lawo utendela wena uwedwana, they are recorded videos and assignments uyafika selected mkhambi course yokudiscover a purpose yakhe. It's called the calling. So le course leyo inceda ukuthi ukhone kusebenzisa a system leNkulunkulu angivetele yona ukuthi how do I discover my purpose emhlabeni or how do I discover my calling. Then we've got one yema relationship ukuthi how to align with your soulmate. Any soulmate yakho is exactly what the word says. Iligama lithi it's a soulmate. Thina sibuka umuntu sifune kumenda isoulmate. Ungaze usebenzise emehla kenyama sowulahlekile. A soulmate sokuthi it's a mate to your soul, not to your physical body. So a soulmate may not even look like your dream spouse or your dream partner, but because they have the soul that is a mate to your soul. So sifundisa abantu ukuthi how do you draw isoulmate yakho or attract isoulmate yakho ite ngakuwe. So uNkulunkulu ungihlukanise nemuntu lobe ngimthanza kuze kuthi angikhombe ukuthi empilweni number one priority ya wonke umuntu inzandvo yaNkulunkulu ukuthi uNkulunkulu ucreate for ini. Ungathola lokho uNkulunkulu lokunceda u-align nalabantu lafuna u-align nabo lafuna wende nabo impilo.
Mina utawucelelwa ngiNkulunkulu because ngendlela wende ngayo ubhalela amabhuku konke inyalo sowucale ne-clothing brand so ngifuna kusala kukhulula umntana abone ukuthi manje usebentile mina ngathi ukuthi sofunana phela ubhalile amabhuku wacalile makhoza angikwazi ukuthi ukwendani libuka netimpahla phela bongathi name uthi Bongani Maphosa vele uye straight kuye emdali then sayinde decide ukuthi okay inyalo because bowuni lapha kulona ku guest house ngente ukubona well drop empty what no asengicala clothing brand mara nje kuzanga ngiphanishi uNkulunkulu awusengikhulume ngaye la ufike njani la clothing brand lelo na
you had to see clothing brand you'll never guess mara clothing brand is something le last year so i-clothing brand ayingisurprise kimi ukuthi why ibe khona kuningi lokuseda loku related to lo msebenzi longwendako so on social media we've got pages ethu athi 4 AM prayer gang or athi Bongani Maphosa so whether you search for Bongani Maphosa lo Maphosa ude age ngumaphosa Bongani Maphosa or uthi 4 AM prayer gang so for the past 3 years while uNkulunkulu angi-isolateile ngihlala ngedwana ngihlukene nemkami uNkulunkulu bese unginika i-mandate yami uthe hamba uyocala i-Bible study live on TikTok la ku-YouTube I think we used to do nabo Instagram ne Facebook so le Bible study le wathi uNkulunkulu ufuna ngicale from Genesis to Revelation ngifundise abantu ngaye so ngicala sifunda iBhayibheli chapter by chapter saze sacedza itolo we were doing the last chapter of the Bible the book of Revelation chapter 22 sicedza itolo so that's why social media handles at 4 AM prayer gang so sivese amase following le well over 150,000 on all the platforms fundisa iBhayibheli from 4 AM ekuseni so when uNkulunkulu akubona ukuthi udedicated that's why iBhayibheli lithi when you are faithful with a little God says I will put you in charge over more so it's no wonder uNkulunkulu will keep opening doors for me athi hey ndoda nayi idea hamba uyo act on the clothing brand eBhayibhelini kune parable it's called the parable of the 3 servants and the talents so that parable Jesus was telling us ukuthi there was a master who went away the master said to his servants bambana wama-talents wena ngikuniketa 1 and the Bible says azamnikete 1 lo amnike 1 lo munye wamnika 2 lo munye wamnika 5 it was according to their ability to handle so uNkulunkulu ubuka i-capacity yakho and what you are willing to sacrifice for the mandate mina ngisa was willing to walk away from umuntu umthanza ngehliti yami yonke I don't think ukuthi ngidoke ngithanzele umunye umuntu ngandlela bengimthanza ngayo umkami so uNkulunkulu saw ukuthi I was willing to obey and listen nakathi suka la uye lapha ngitofika ngikwende lokhu nalokhu nalokhu in my first book ngikhuluma ngekuthi he said I will make you a global sensation laba lifundzile libhuku lami and that was just a vision that was something God said to me what obey and I will make you a global sensation so today ngihleli lana eWhite River but I am known internationally I've got subscribers that pay a monthly subscription on my TikTok on my YouTube from all over the world so le clothing brand ifike nakathi uNkulunkulu because you are faithful with every assignment that I give you here is an extra assignment for you create a clothing brand and through this clothing brand I will go and touch other people I will influence other people and I will also create a financial independence because uNkulunkulu akasifuni sisebenzele labanye abantu forever yes siyasebenza for a season but ufuna ubranch into something leNkulunkulu akuphe yona so uthe because of my faithfulness nayi i-clothing brand so emhlabeni in order to achieve financial freedom kufuna ucreate what we call income generating assets nyalo nginathuma bhuku the last book that I published in December it's i-car it speaks about how to manifest using the biblical principles. ICAR is an abbreviation. It's the I stands for imagine it, the C stands for celebrate it, the A stands for anticipate it, and the R stands for receive it. So it is a formula that you use. The same formula Jesus manifest all his miracles. The same formula I wrote about, and now I created an online course, Nema coaching program where you can sign up for. So uNkulunkulu ufuna sonke sicreate income generating assets based on the seed lekayifake kuyo. Uyabona mina I'm one person but ngisebenzisa my sales skill ngisengisathi moto. Nyalo I've got a clothing brand that I sell. I've got books that I published, self-published. I own 100% rights to all my work. Then uNkulunkulu now buka lama income streams, my online courses. People are buying my courses from all over the world. I've got the coaching programs that people are able to book me for. I charge quite a lot really for those because now you are disturbing isikhathi sami and ufuna one-on-one. So emhlabeni, if u-obey uNkulunkulu will open your mind to things lebo ungacabanga ukuthi it possible. The goal anginike yona is that I will create a wealth for my children's children. That's why in the Bible it's a good man leaves an inheritance for his children's children.
Yeah.
Not for yourself. What I'm building is generational wealth for my children's children. And the thing with that is that funa munye in the bloodline, I will be the sacrifice. Just like Jesus was the sacrifice for all of mankind. Munye in the bloodline, when if ufuna liberate a family, you must be that guy that says, I will be the one that will go through all the pain. Kuyohlupheka mina, kusafare mina, kulale mina ngedwana busuku nemini, kusebenze mina busuku nemini. Uyabona, I'm one person, mara buka le nto lengitendako in a daily basis. Ngivuka ngo-4, ngifundisa iBhayibheli live to hundreds of people all over the world. Ngo-4 ekuseni lo munye usalele. At the same time nangicetha lapho kufuna ngihambe ngiye-17 kamlungu. Ngine-clothing brand lengibhizi ngayo kufuna ngende ama-design, ngende loku naloku, nginemabhuku kufuna ngiwabhale within lo 24 hours. Le sonke sinayo kufuna ngiphinde ngilale futhi khona lapho. Funa ngicreate ama-courses, ngiwarekhode, funa ngicoache abantu nga-24 hours.
Ufuna ukubhalisa abantwana homework, kanti ngikuthole ukubhalisa abantwana homework.
Kufuna ngibhalise umntwana homework, ngine-9-year-old leya grade 4. And kuyo lo 24 hours loyo.
Yeah.
Lo munye akhala athi ngidiniwe anginasikhathi. Sinabo wendani?
Nakethu umuntu utokuthola next week la ku Bizarre FM between ke 10 to 7, but ngifuna nyalo njengoba si rapper, so lotho ofuna ukulandzela ubona izinto lesikhuluma ngato because ngenteka khona lotho ofuna joina. Ani ngiyacabanga njengoba ngicedzile ufuna uqale lenye new chapter la kule say 4 am gang kumbe prayer gang.
Akusasi 4 am manje, manje siyatshintsha to the prayer gang because say uNkulunkulu unyalo, I think ukhuluma nami about taking care of myself because ngimuntu lothanda i-gym as well.
Yeah.
So uNkulunkulu uthe nyalo, njengoba sesicedzile le chapter le manje lebesinayo ecaleni from Genesis to Revelation ngo-4 ekuseni, nyalo sengitoya eNzambama. So sine WhatsApp channel lengacela ukuthi bonke balaleli bahambe bayoyisearcha. Ungangena nje ku WhatsApp uye kuma updates, usearche for the prayer gang, uhlanganise nje lengama usearch one word uthi the prayer gang, itovela le WhatsApp channel ine image nje yemuntu loguqile seyibhale a premium kingdom movement. So the prayer gang ile clothing brand le siyilaunchako mhla ka 16 June. Le clothing brand, it's a premium clothing brand. Le compete na the likes of bo Gucci, bo Versace in terms of equality. So we went for premium quality. These are 300 grams heavy t-shirts, oversized t-shirts that are fully branded for the people who want to be known. I believe in the Lord God, or I believe in Christ, or I'm a born again believer. So it's for those who are not afraid to be known. We are believers. We live by biblical principles. So the brand is the Prayer Gang. So they can search for the Prayer Gang on WhatsApp, and then available on social media. At the moment, it's still 4 a.m. prayer gangs. Kona ku YouTube, ku TikTok, ku Facebook, ku Instagram, and ngikona as Bongani Maposa, especially ku Facebook. That's how you will find me ku Facebook. So lama platform la si 4 a.m. atochinja to the prayer gang as well. So that sitholakale endaweni le-1.
No, mina ngithi sibongile ukuthi uthathe isikhathi sakho ube nathi emsakadweni. Neda akake umlaleli bowutshele mina ukuthi ngikudlela isikhathi ngubhuka one-on-one uthela. So sawubambana leli viki lentako, siyabonga futhi.
Kubonga mina Prince Valley. Thank you so much for the opportunity, and babusenge nebalaleli bakho.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Laleli Beaton Breakfast ku 104.1 the pumping beat of gas njengoba weshilo la uyobeke yasijoyina la afundzisa ke ngema principles lavela eBhayibhelini. So besikhuluma ngefinancial la ku Beaton Breakfast ku #change your thoughts change your mind.